Hey, good morning, good afternoon, guys. Good evening. It depends on the place you're watching me from. So today is another beautiful day. We are actually in Tanzania, and it's afternoon over here. And please, if you're new, subscribe, like, share, and leave us a comment. And this day today, it's a day of traveling from Kenya to Tanzania. So we are literally just crossed the border, and now we are here in Tanzania. So literally we are moving to the other side. Just shouting from the other side. Sometimes, you know, I feel so angry, you know. I'm doing my own work, and he's really shouting on the other side. But let's put that aside. So this day today, I'm with True Boy 208. Hey, bro.
I'm a traveler today.
Yes.
Reacting traveler.
Yes.
Yes. And here we are. Anyway, thank you so much, Mr.
Yes.
CJ.
Yes.
For hosting me in your channel.
Yes.
I wish you safe journey.
Yes.
And whenever I know there will be communication still.
Absolutely.
It's only that we will miss you, Pastor. We will miss you, but we will still communicate.
Absolutely. Just a phone call, far away. Just a phone call. Yeah. And also we are here with. How are you?
I'm fine.
You good?
Yep.
You're great.
Yes.
How are you doing?
I'm okay.
Yes.
I can't complain.
Yes.
We're here to see them off, guys. Take care of yourselves.
Uh-huh.
Put on your seatbelts always.
Uh-huh.
Carry a lot of water. What do you think? Pray. Hey, pray warrior. Pray, and everything will be okay.
Yeah.
Even I'm feeling sick when I'm just leaving you guys behind.
I know. It's okay.
But all in all, I know things are going to be okay and great, and we pray to Almighty God. So guys, this is Minhawi. Introduce yourself, because I want to introduce
Minhawi, guys. My name is Minhawi. Yes. Kindly subscribe, like, and share.
Alright.
Yeah.
And also we are here with our beautiful queen.
Diana Kemi.
Yes.
Yeah, and these guys are going. Please don't forget about us.
Yes.
Yeah, and
We won't-
don't stay for so long.
Yeah, don't overstay.
We won't overstay. We won't
Yeah.
overstay. We'll
Yes.
always be with you.
Yeah.
And of course, we'll remember you through spirit by praying.
Yeah.
And of course, we'll be communicating through WhatsApp and everything.
Yeah.
So keep we say keep locked.
Yeah.
Keep it locked.
Keep it locked.
Yeah, BT.
Yeah.
We are telling them to keep it locked.
Yeah. Please
Yes.
don't fear. Don't fear.
Yeah. Hey, you look
Fear,
sharp.
okay?
This guy looks sharp.
You look sharp, man.
I have to go
Guys.
out with Diana Kemi in this way, this look. Huh?
Uh-huh. So it's black, eh? Men in black. But it's really great and amazing. So we literally we are here, guys. We always say where there's 2 or 3 people,
Yeah.
the word of God is there. So
God is between.
God is between us here. So always.
You travel alone. God is not there.
All right, guys. Everything is nice. We're just leaving you done. Bye.
Bye-bye. And safe journey.
Bye.
See you.
Juma, True Boy, with us we always do this and then bye. Again, you want me to fall? Okay, it's 1, and then 2, and then 3. Man.
Where is my bag?
Okay, man. Your bag is here. All right, guys. So
I need my bag.
I know they don't want to see us off. All right, I'll miss you guys.
I know, but I'll be there.
All right, guys. Let's go on our bus. All right, guys. Sometimes I'll be really crazy. Amazing. Thank you. Yeah. There's sometimes we have some friendly, and sometimes we have those who are.
Yeah.
So keep safe,
Yeah, you too.
and always remember, whenever the soldier is out, whether in the forefront or in the backyard, always pray him to be at the middle. In the battlefield, whenever most men fall down, always remember, maybe there's no boot that will be on my doorstep, and the pillow that I've left, let no face slip on it. And you are kissed the lips, and the lips
He has trust issues.
and the lips will be unkissed until I'm back. Oh man.
That's not a good message.
No, it's a message. It's a message passing. Do you remember that book?
Yes, I remember.
What is the book?
Which book?
No, it's Caucasian Choksako. Simon Shashava talking to Grusha. And Grusha is wishing him, hey, BT. You remember me with English?
I know you, bro. And I salute you on that.
Alright.
I used to be beaten with my English teacher
Uh,
while you are
Smiling at the back.
magic. But that's how it is.
Okay, guys. I think the bus is always to be off, so we have to go.
We have to go by the way.
Wanna see me?
But the bad thing is, you know, we will be celebrating my graduation and you are not.
Sorry, we'll celebrate it online.
By the way, it's just an emergency and you have to go.
Absolutely.
You have to accept.
Alright guys, this is Tanzania and all beautiful area. And we are going to use this kind of buses. Alright man.
Hata kidogo itakata.
Guys, we are heading and we are actually in this bus. We are in journey, we are enjoying this bus because the seats are here. The other bus, like the people, I just give you because with me, I usually don't want to have this fracas with people, so we just decided to have another bus. So I think we are the only people here, and I know we are going to wait for another town called Tarime. So we are moving, guys, and here is it, Tanzanian acting. I'm here with BT.
Yes, man, Mr. BT is around here, man.
Yes.
We are traveling. We are cruising now.
Absolutely, guys. Huh?
On another time.
Yes.
Guys. He's a Tanzanian musician.
Yeah.
I don't know even the meaning of it.
I think we hired this bus on our own. Look behind.
We are just alone.
Nobody is around, so we are the only people here.
I think they are going to take another people
Yeah.
from
The other side of Tanzania. So we wanna see. We are literally in Tanzania and cruising. So let's go and see. Please pray for us as we show you the amazing great Tanzania. Alright guys. Peace. And still we are continuing with the journey, and the journey is journeying actually. We are in one of the most we are in one of the most rock city. It's called actually Rock City, so we keep on rocking. So I think we'll sleep at the Rock City over here, which is called Mwanza in Tanzania, and we shall continue with our journey to where we are heading.
Oh, look at that. Say this side is actually the Rock City.
Yeah.
Look at this.
Guys, we are passing through Serengeti Game Reserve or Serengeti National Park, and the way you see over here, this is what you see around. So you'll be able to see. Yes guys, so we just arrived in Mwanza. So this is Mwanza.
Yes,
and
Burundian traveler.
Burundian traveler here. Yeah, and also we are just around here.
Yeah.
So we are just looking for a place to sleep.
Yeah.
Just to put, I'm very tired. I'm having a very crazy headache. And wow, I love the bus stage or the bus stop. It's very nice and great. Oh man, very nice. Though I think all buses have gone. Now it's very empty over here on this other side. But we give thanks to Almighty God for this great journey.
Yeah.
And guys, I'll be sharing with you tomorrow, maybe if I get a chance to tour this city here. It's called Rock City. And this is the amazing bus stage. Very great at night.
It's too big actually. It's
Very
like,
big. An airport.
An airport or maybe train, maybe station.
Yeah.
This one, which is the best actually.
It looks like an airport. Very big and great. Alright guys, so let's head and see where we're going. Alright.
Yeah, guy.
Hey, good morning guys. So we are traveling. It's our second day. So we slept over here. And now it's time to Nagara do Burundi. Alright, and we are here with Burundian traveler. Hey, good morning, man.
Good morning, guys.
How are you?
This is Mr. Burundian Travel. In case you are new on this channel, Mr. Brother Claude Joseph, kindly subscribe, guys, and show him some love.
Absolutely.
So we are going actually to move forward.
Yeah.
Yesterday we slept over here, but actually remember, our journey didn't stop from here because we're still traveling.
Yeah.
And we have to cruise from this other side.
Heading to other side also.
Other side actually. We need to cross the border again.
Yeah.
Yeah, even though we don't know
What is ahead of us.
Yeah, but our journey actually is a very long journey.
Absolutely.
It's not under, let's say, 24 hours, something like that.
Absolutely. So guys, let's go and you see.
So
this is, we just give our watchman over here.
yeah, that is a
Just
small thing actually
a
we need
tip
to
for
give to
our
yeah,
watchman.
because he called us
Yeah, in the morning.
in the
like,
morning.
you
He's the
get
one who
late.
called us, like we was late and we were sleeping like crazy.
Yeah.
Maybe I didn't disturb you like when you were wake up in me. You know I'm crazy when you
And this guy, you know, whenever he sleep, he was like, no. But I was like, man, you have to wake up. I threw away the bracket. Alright guys, so let's go and see what's going to happen. See you. Alright.
Okay, guys.
Guys, we are just arrived at this place. So there's a lake over here called Lake Victoria, and we are literally going to cross by through this area. So we leave the buses and we cross by using the ferry. So good morning again. My name is Claude Joseph. Please, if you are new here, subscribe, like, share, and leave a sweet comment. We are traveling to Burundi this morning, and I'm with Burundian travel over here.
Yeah.
So hopefully we'll be able to see this what we call like crossing by ferry or by water. So let me know at the comment section. You know, sometimes there is people who literally fear crossing by or going by water. And also, yeah, let me know the experience of you with water. You know, actually with me, I've been used to doing this because I used to work near the Lake Victoria in Kenya, and we used to cross by using small boats. So these old buses have just lined up over here. They are going to use a ferry. So
Actually will be rich because it's on the behind on
it's the last. It's the last
like
bus.
the last one actually.
Yeah, it's the last
The
bus.
other one also they are coming. Yeah.
Absolutely.
And you can see there is even a lot of trucks on the other side, but a lot of buses actually do use this route.
Absolutely.
Yeah, and trucks mostly.
Yeah.
They do use like the wrong route. There is a long route which you don't cross over.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. So,
But this is the shortest route to Burundi, right?
yeah.
So I don't know how many hours. Maybe it might take us 8 hours to the border.
We say 8, but the other time you remember?
Yes, it might take maybe even 10. It depends.
No,
It depends.
Yeah, that one was more actually. Like,
Yeah. So you
it's
see
like
all
10, whatever.
all these buses just are going to one. This is for Uganda.
This one?
Yeah, this bus is for Uganda. I think it's going to cross to Burundi, Rwanda, Uganda. This one over here. Yeah. You see, PO Box Kampala. Yeah, so let's head this way, guys. We're going to pay for the what you call like for the crossing by. I'll let you know how much it is, so that when you come to pay a visit over here, you'll be able to know how much is the transportation of you from Mwanza crossing by via ferry. Alright, see you there, guys. Okay. Yes, we are here, and that's the ferry over there. It just carries MV Misungu. It carries both cars or trucks and people. So that's the lake over here, and that's the newly built bridge. It's still under construction, and hopefully when it's just done, we'll be done with going through using these ferries. Alright guys, so let's see what's going to happen. And also, I'm not alone. I'm with Burundian traveler over here, and things are moving on well and great.
Yeah.
We are at the crossing zone. Maybe you can just go a little bit, we see.
Yeah.
Over here. Let's walk, we see.
I think on this, you know this?
Yes?
This place.
Yes.
On the other side is the...
It's what? When you cross
something like Kisisi or...
Kisisi, yeah. Busisi.
Busisi.
It's called Busisi, yeah.
Yeah, we are crossing Busisi.
So we cross from this point to Busisi. Okay.
Guys, it's still early morning actually.
And it's very morning, and that's why you see they are just changing. And they are really
So like this one they are going to move, and then maybe this one will get a chance.
yeah.
Kuna MV Sengerema, kuna
MV Mwanza.
kuna MV Misungwi.
Yeah.
Bro, but after actually they finish the other bridge which they are making on the other side,
Yeah, it will be
it's
better.
going to be better for us.
Yeah, now this one is going already. Alright guys, let's wait and see. Okay, we share with you.
Yo.
Guys, welcome to Busisi. And Busisi is another side of Tanzania that we are crossing to. We'll be heading to what we call like Burundi. So right now we are heading to Busisi. Busisi is right there.
Don't confuse and say Burundi.
It's Busisi, yeah.
We are heading to Burundi, so
Burundi,
we still
right.
have maybe 7 or
Eight,
over hours,
7 or
actually.
over hours, like 7 or 8 to 10 hours. Yeah, it tells you that it has already arrived, so great. Alright guys, the journey is still continuing.
Let's move.
Okay. Yes guys, so we are actually on top of a ferry, and this is how you see it. Just carries even the cars downwards, and we are just crossing by to the other side. I don't know if you'll be able to see up to the other side over there. So we are heading this side.
What is the name of the place again?
Busisi. Yeah.
Yeah.
So we will be heading to Busisi, and we are right here with Burundian traveler. Alright.
Here we go. Here we go. Here we go.
Very great and amazing. So, and also I told you about this newly built bridge. This is the greatest Lake Victoria with freshwater lake. It's a freshwater lake actually.
And then the biggest,
Freshwater
the
lake.
largest fresh lake in East Africa or in Africa?
The world, bro. It's among us the freshwater lakes. Alright, so let's cruise.
finished actually with the boat.
Yeah, we are done with the boat, with the ferry. Now we are moving now. So it's the journey on the other end. See you there. Still, guys, the journey continues, and still the journey continues, and I want to share with you what's going on around this great area of Tanzania. Very, very big, and yeah. We just arrived in Burundi, in Tanzania.
Yeah.
So we are
I think
actually
he's on the border.
I'll show you at the border. So we are literally on a motorbike over here, and this is how this point was, and we are literally moving now. So we are saying goodbye to
Tanzania. But not yet.
yeah. Now we are moving.
Yeah.
Now we are heading to Tanzania. Now to Burundi. To Burundi now. Let me tell you a secret, guys. Here comes the craziness of the Burundi border.
Yeah.
We'll head there and we'll hear they start asking us things that are not there. That you must pay $20 for you to head. We'll just hear about it. Sorry, we arrived here yesterday at night, very late night, and we couldn't make it to cross by to Burundi, so we woke up this morning, and literally I'm not feeling okay. I'm very sick, I think, but I have nobody to complain to. It's still work and job. So this morning, I want to say good morning again, guys. We'll be heading now to Burundi today, this morning, and we'll be crossing by. We're actually at the border, and as you see, a lot of big trucks are around here with us. So we are going to catch up with our bus, and we'll be going. I'm here with Burundian Travel.
This guy, I'm here with the Burundian Travel.
Though it's very dark, so let's go to the bus.
We are going to try to check our bus.
Yeah.
So that we can travel with it.
Alright, guys. Yeah.
We booked, but it's not going actually to take where we want to go.
Yeah.
But it's not going even to make a quarter.
Absolutely.
Yeah, but because here to get a bus is a problem.
Yeah.
We have to shorten slowly.
So that we move to
Also
the
until
destination.
at night we will be in the village.
Yeah.
Yeah, but I'm gonna try all my best also that we can reach where we are going.
Alright, guys.
Of course, guys.
See you.
See you.
Morning. Guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. It's another beautiful day over here. So we came from the border to this area and we were using the coasters. We call them coasters, this kind of cars. So right now we just arrived to a place called Muyinga, and I'm here with the chauffeur. Yeah.
Actually, I'm gonna be the one actually who
He's
knows
directing
where we
me
are
here.
heading.
Yeah, so with me I have no bearing, I have no direction, but he's the one, he's the map for me over here in Burundi today. So, and also guys, I'm feeling very sick. I don't know why. Maybe a very crazy headache. My eyes, I feel like they're popping out. Do you see them?
I guess because of long
They are like, no, I feel like something like a big ballast has just entered inside. All right, bro. At night, when we were morning here, like when it was morning, we were not be seen. So now we are seen. We are still shining. All right, introduce yourself.
shining, but we are going to meet with a lot of dust in the road.
Oh, a lot of dust.
Oh, you saw policemen over here. They do exercise even in the road, like jogging in the morning.
Oh,
Yeah,
okay.
there are lots was moving on the road, but they are already passed.
Oh,
Yeah.
so
Guys, hi guys, this is Mr. Burundian Traveler. In case you are new to my brother YouTube channel, consider subscribing. Yeah, we're still actually on a journey, taking him at my home, you know, at our home. Let me say like
absolutely, we are going to our home,
Yeah.
and that home is ours.
I don't know if all of you know. I'm Claude, he's
It's
Claude.
Claude, yeah, and we also share the same dad by the name Claude.
Yeah. So the story, guys, is that we are going actually to head to the mom over there in the village, and it's gonna be a hectic adventure ever. Or maybe you can say one of more unique adventure actually, which you never saw.
Absolutely, we might see it on our next episode because now this will be ending soon.
Maybe
because,
when we enter the bus.
Yeah, when we enter the
To
bus.
have no chance like to talk
actually.
or whatever.
Maybe the title of this video will be "Sad Arrival in Burundi" because I'm feeling very not okay. There is a headache,
maybe
eyes are
coughing
popping
and
out. Even you have realized I haven't put on my spectacles. The reason being, when the moment I put them here, I feel like, you know.
More bad.
Yeah, so let's look for a car and we'll
yeah.
be moving. And we want to see where we will be heading around. All right. Okay, let's ask.
One of the guys actually told me.
Oh, okay.
Maybe you can give us
There was a policeman here. Maybe you could have asked him.
that guy doesn't know. He's just a passenger like us.
Oh, okay.
So we need the conda.
The conda. Okay, guys.
So we can check what
All right, guys. Let's see. These are the buses over here, and we wanna move and see what's going on around. All right. So, guys, we found a very nice car here. We call them Pro Box in Kenya, so we had to put our luggage here, and we will be moving literally right now. So we thank God for this journey and everything that is going to happen over here. Yes.
Yeah, guys.
Rugendo Ruiza.
Yeah.
Hey.
It's like safe journey.
Safe journey.
So we have to actually this kind of big buses because people they be much congested.
Absolutely.
And this guy accepted us actually
Yeah.
for.
Let me show them the Burundi so that they can know we are in Burundi.
Yeah.
We are in Burundi, guys.
Welcome to Burundi.
Welcome to Burundi. Sad arrival in Burundi.
Yeah.
But
Because
it's
our
okay.
guy is sick. Anyway.
Yeah. But
yesterday, like he didn't sleep, and also he been and
coughing, you know.
Coughing so much, and
Crazy
Yes, I
flu.
was coughing too, but not much like him.
Yeah.
And also for him, you know, also eyes problem, whatever things like that.
But we keep on pushing, guys. So we are here. Let's wait and see what's going on.
On this other seat over here.
Okay. Yes.
Here,
Yes.
there is 3 people,
Okay.
1 people.
Oh,
So we go 4.
we go 4.
Yeah, if you add more, like police can do.
In Mozambique, we call them 3+1. Is it 3+1? Yeah. 4+1, 3+1. Yeah.
And another thing also here you need to understand, they don't allow you to sit with a luggage in this small.
Oh, okay. Not like in Kenya, this one is full with 10 people.
Yeah.
Or 20 people.
And also the journey we are going to take is not that shorter.
Yes.
But also this guy, he accepted me that he's going to offer us
Yes.
the other guy who will be taking us to the other side where we are going.
Oh.
Yeah, because actually our journey will be very long.
Very, very long.
Very long.
Yes, I hope I'm going to
Let me check
document.
if I have,
I'm going to document this from here all the way through, and I want to see what's going to happen.
I have to check
Oh,
if I
this
have
is
it.
money for Burundi.
Yeah, guys. This
Yes,
is it.
Bihumbi. Bihumbi Vihumbi vikumi,
1, 2,
vichumi. So this
3,
is
4.
let me show them. This is okay. This is
Sorry.
2,000.
This is
Which
2,000.
is the largest money?
The largest money is this one.
How much is this?
10,000.
Oh my God! So we have this is the largest money.
Yeah.
We have 10,000 over here, and because amafaranga ibihumbi chumi,
Yeah.
amafaranga ibihumbi chumi, and this one,
And there is a French too over here.
and also this one is 2,000 deoxmille francs. Because Banco de la République du Burundi.
Yeah.
Recentrofa est puni de servitude penal.
Don't you solve people, man?
Ibanki ya Republika ya Burundi. Guys, I can read.
Yeah, guys, the routes actually we are going to use, I never used it before. So we are going to try it just for first time.
For the first
But
time.
actually, I will be with my bro over here. There's
Yeah,
no
yeah.
any issue.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
So let's be waiting.
So I have money from Tanzania anyway. Also.
Oh, this is
It's over
Tanzania.
here.
So this is 10,000 Tanzanian
This is
shillings.
10,000 Tanzania shilling.
Benki kuu ya Tanzania.
And this one is 20,000. Almost 1,000 Kenya shilling.
How
Let's
much?
say 900
So
or
this-
800.
Two of these guys sums up to 900 Kenyan shillings. That is like $8.
Yeah.
And how much is 10,000 to Burundi? 10,000
This one, 10
Tanzanian
of it?
shillings, yeah.
Is 24.
24,000.
Yeah, 24, 23.
24,000. Okay, guys. In
So
Kenya and Tanzania, we use shillings. In Kenya and Tanzania, we use shillings. In Burundi, they use francs. We call amafaranga. So sometimes when you come here, they will ask you, okay, I give you shillings, you give me mafaranga. So francs. Francs means money to Burundi. So if you be here, you say, give me 10,000 francs or give me 2,000 francs. That means you'll be given 10,000 Burundian money. And you have been told that 10,000 Tanzanian shillings is equivalent to 24,000 francs in Burundi.
So it's like times 2
Times 2
and
some
plus
points.
some.
Or plus some cents. And also 1,000
Some
Kenyan.
cent or some thousand.
Yeah, and 1,000 1,000 Kenyan shillings equivalent to 1,000 Kenyan shillings is equivalent to 22,000 Tanzanian shillings. Hey man, sometimes while traveling you learn more. You learn and
Yeah, you learn more.
hey man, this looks like your mom, BT. I was surprised.
Hey, looks like my mom.
Yeah, I was like,
Don't worry. We are going to meet the real one on the other side.
You know, Burundi guys, most of the, I don't know if it's their culture, they put
like
all,
culture.
like
Yeah. It's very hard actually to get
like this
someone-
mama, you see that she has already covered herself with this all
Yeah, that is
clothes.
the way they do.
Oh.
If you are like a married woman or
Okay.
maybe someone who have kids,
Yes,
most they do the same.
you cover the whole
Yeah,
head.
especially in the village, you get there like that. Actually.
Oh wow.
Yeah.
So is Muyinga a capital city or just a town like?
It's just a town.
Oh, it's just a town.
It's a town. Not yet even a city.
Okay.
Yeah, capital city is on the place where they are taking us. I never went there before.
Now I was told that now Bujumbura is not the capital city.
No, they changed.
They changed.
Yeah.
Guys, did you know that? Keep on following Claude
We'll go
Joseph
there
over
too.
here as I keep on producing amazing vlogs, information, and also educating you about. Did you know that Bujumbura nowadays is not the capital city? Now we have another capital city called Gitega.
Yeah.
So now we have Gitega.
In central Burundi actually.
It's called Gitega. Gitega is the capital city now. So Bujumbura or Buja is now outdated, we can say so. But still, most people say, also read that Bujumbura is the capital city. It used to be those days, but nowadays the current city is Gitega. And you see over there they're siphoning what you call fuel. Over there.
Fuel. Actually, something you have to know.
Yeah.
Fuel is very hard in Burundi right
Oh,
now.
fuel.
Yeah, we have no fuel. So that's why you don't see even more cars.
Oh.
So more people parked before long time, since the time of Corona.
Okay.
So everything shut down like that.
Up to
To
now.
get fuel is not easy.
Oh.
Yeah.
Alright guys, that's
So
great.
that's why maybe you could use even a private car, but where can you get it?
The fuel.
There is someone
So
maybe
for
who can
example, you buy a car here in Burundi. Now you.
get-
So fuel will be the problem. You have a car, but fuel.
yeah,
will-
problem. Mostly.
But I love Burundi, guys. Burundi is
you
beautiful.
can be going out, maybe like in Tanzania, and fuel it.
And
When
come.
it's full and you come back.
Oh, okay.
You can do something like that.
I'm
But
telling-
maybe when you are on the border, what about if you are not in the border?
In the middle.
Yeah. What are
Okay.
you going to do?
Alright, guys. So
Yeah, it's there, but it's come once in a while.
in a while.
Yeah, and when it come, all people are announced. Like,
That we have fuel.
is coming.
Okay. Oh wow. And also, did you know that Burundi they use French as a national language, and also Kirundi? They have two, Kirundi and French.
Yeah.
So it
And
was
anyway,
called.
they tried from 2015. I think they tried to introduce English and Swahili at school.
Okay.
Yeah, so mostly now you cannot speak Swahili. The new generation, they understand.
Okay.
I guess maybe in 10 years or
So they
20
teach.
years,
They teach Swahili.
people will be speaking, yeah. But the problem is that the people who are teaching Swahili too, they don't know.
Oh.
But then they are translated
From the book.
Books Swahili, English, and is the same program, right?
Oh,
Yeah, like they teach it French, English, all of them in one book.
In one book.
So they translate each other.
Okay.
So you move from this, it translates the same on the other side.
Oh.
Yeah. So that's how they know it.
Guys, we keep on giving you a great information. Keep
So
educating
we shall
you.
go. Actually,
Yeah.
if we meet maybe one of our sisters over there,
We will see the books.
We can know more.
Absolutely.
Yeah, because for them they started over here. Yeah, so they know.
Okay, guys. Thank you so much, guys. Please subscribe to this YouTube channel. We are on the road to
And it's still go,
30,000.
guys.
Yeah, we are on the road to 30,000 subscribers. We are actually in a stage over here. And he's also on the road to 30,000 subscribers. Kindly subscribe and hit that like button. And let's continue seeing what's going to happen. See you guys in our next episode. It's very early in the morning over here. And we just arrived to a place known as Muyinga. And this is what we see here. It's called Muyinga. And the first thing we have to do over here, because yesterday we got stranded and we were very sick sometimes with the journey, and we are looking for a bank. First thing, if you arrive to a country, first thing, if you have no cash, kindly, if you have an ATM or maybe you have your dollars, you can do an exchange. Say, hey Burundi, oh, this is Burundi, and this is just a small town called Muyinga. And in the bank. Okay.
Oh, there is another one.
Alright, guys. Wow. Muyinga Iwasu. Oh.
Welcome, Muyinga.
Oh. Muyinga Iwasu. Wachu. Alright, we say welcome to Muyinga. Say Muyinga Iwachu.
Yeah.
Alright. And
Muyinga is our home.
Oh, Muyinga is our home.
Yeah.
Wow, very nice and great. What's your name, Shuferi?
My name is Renard Mutawazi.
Oh, Renard Mutawazi. Mutawazi. Yes, we have here an amazing chauffeur actually. He just offered us like, oh, may I take you there as long as we agree to each other, and that's actually what we really love. Like me, when I'm traveling, I don't want troubles actually. When somebody just go this way, it's this way. So actually we are at the bank, and we want to just have little cash that we'll be using over here because we are cashless actually. Okay. Alright guys,
Can I escort you? You go.
let me just go and see. Oh, maybe it's no English? If there's no English here, maybe France? Let me see guys. Alright, we have an ATM over here. Let's check. Alright guys. Oh, our amazing ATM. Hey. Okay. We have an amazing Burundi ATM here. Let me check what I can do.
Hey. Okay.
Burundian travel escorted me to...
Yeah, to withdraw. Actually, you know, we can get his French. Even his French here, you can see French.
Yeah.
Tell back Burundi.
Bienvenue.
Introduise.
Introduce. What?
To put it well.
It's gone. Okay. Alright guys, let's try starting this. We have fee for operation which is 5,000, so validation, how much validation? Let me put. Okay.
How much you want to put?
Yeah, let me say maybe 50,000.
No, that is a very little man.
We can communication time out. Do you want to continue? Yes. Hey.
if you don't do it.
Okay, please remove your card. I've removed the card.
Yeah. So what you can take only take a hand because you know fees and whatever.
We can take
at least 150.
How you know? Let me see.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, English. Oh, they have English.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, enter. And the request for balance cash withdrawal.
Yeah.
Yes. Oh my God.
Yes.
Okay, let me see. 100. Oh.
150 maybe.
150. But it's not showing. Oh my God. Oh,
Okay.
it's here.
Oh, it's there. What you can.
No, you can draw. You can withdraw 100.
Get 100.
Guys, imagine 100,000 in Kenya. Wow, that's a lot.
That 100 is like in Kenya is around.
Oh my God, can it come up? Maybe it should be embarrassing me like the one when I was going to Dubai. I had 12 shillings, but
hopefully you have it.
Hopefully it's going to have money.
Guys, they are saying please wait, so let's wait.
Actually, here you select. They have 3 languages. Oh my God. Please remove your card. Communication time out. Your request is cancelled. Okay, let's see. Guys, we are heading to another place. The bank has said no. It can't take my Visa card. Oh man. So let's go try another. The bank has refused.
A Kenyan card. No room for
You know this is the Visa card, so it can transact everywhere.
Yeah, I know.
Oh, yeah.
I can see that. But some banks in some local countries that are different.
Oh yeah, let's go see, guys. Where? Burundi, first impression in Burundi. Oh, but they have Western Union over here also. Guys, now I'm happy. Now I'm happy. I've seen our KCB bank. KCB do Burundi.
Hello.
We have our KCB. So let me just withdraw money from KCB over here. Oh, that's very nice. Hopefully it's working, guys. So we have KCB here. I have a card but no money. Let's go see. Okay. Hey guys, I'm surprised. They haven't opened. Even their ATM is locked until the time when maybe I don't know which time. Hey. My Burundi, Dirty.
Yeah, you know this place where we are?
Yes.
Tugende muri parking kugira cyama narondera abakiriya babiri saa mbiri zigeze tutarabaronka umuntu cyagira naturaje kuraba ko Burundi.
But I thought maybe ATMs have 24 hours working. Alright guys, let's continue and see. Imagine we have money in here but we don't have cash. So let's wait and see as we move. Alright. Hey. As we are still looking for a bank to transact money, and this is the Burundian corridors for the markets. I think they have best spaces, not compared like in Kenya.
For them, actually, most markets,
the spaces are
they
big.
build the country build.
Oh, okay. Have bigger spaces, guys, and it's early in the morning here. The time here is almost 7, and then in Kenya it's 8, because Burundi is 1 hour behind.
Let me check.
Yeah. Just check on it. If it's 8 here, in Kenya it's 9.
Yeah. Now we are almost
like 3 minutes.
Yeah, we are almost at 9. But here we still.
Oh yeah.
So it's ahead of 1 hour.
Okay.
I think they still build even here.
Oh, this
they want to build.
The stones, the concrete. They want to put what we call like cabros. So this is the cabros, guys, in Burundi. So they just sign here and then they fix the stones. All right. Guys, actually we have walked all the banks over here, and I think my card, not my card, but we have been told that the banks are not really working on the other side, so we had to do the phone transaction, you know. But thank God for our amazing Safaricom in Kenya, because they have what you call like global pay. You can send money. So the only option that we did, I had to transact money from my bank to someone, then someone withdraw and then give it to me. So let me share with you what we call, like, it's called global pay. So we have a lot of money. How much is it? Oh my god.
300,000
and actually guys, we withdrew how much did you withdraw? We withdrew around 7,000, but we have received a lot of Burundian francs.
Yeah.
How much is this? Maybe
300,000.
300,000. That's 300,000. I think this will just sustain us for maybe.
But that money,
yes.
Those money, all of them, we are not using all of them. We are not withdrawing all of them.
Yeah, for sure.
But all of them is 380,000.
380,000 francs.
Yeah.
That is only 7,500
and
Kenyan
if it
shillings.
could be on the bank, it could not reach over here. It could be 200,000.
Oh, okay. So guys, we're having a journey, and this how long will this sustain us? Maybe can it sustain us for a day or 2 days?
Even a week.
Or even a week. So I hope this will help us guys for a little week, because we are 2, and this will help us, and we're heading
only 2. You know, we are going to our mom.
to our mom, yeah.
So money must work.
I think we could have withdrawn more.
No, don't worry.
Okay.
Even this is a bit hectic, but there is a way I get money when I'm there.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, I use actually same way of
This is
pay.
This is for emergency, guys, in case maybe anything on
we are
the
in
road.
the road actually.
Like me, the way I'm feeling, maybe sometime might use this. And remember guys, we always do when we travel with BT, whatever we do is like we share the cost equal sometimes, and sometimes when I don't have, he'll help, and when he don't have, I'll help. So that's what we usually do sometimes, and that's why you see we keep on moving without any fracas. So his money is my money and my money is his money, so that's why we always travel. And maybe if we go wrong, maybe it's a little thing. So yeah, I'm heading and we'll be sharing with you. Burundi is really amazing. One thing like got shocked is like people walk with a lot of money in their bags this way, on their pockets over here, and nothing like robbery. BT, is there any? Millionaire in Burundi.
Yeah. Millionaire boys here, guys. Actually, if these people was withdrawing $4,
Yes.
I just gave a tip of like 5 cents.
Oh, 5 cents?
Yeah, so they were very happy.
Oh, wow. 50 cents dollars, all 5.
You know, I did this business too.
Oh, of money transaction.
Yeah, there is a time I did it. Here is a very small thing.
Oh, okay.
Someone is going maybe on this all money will withdraw.
Oh, they have
going to get a commission of maybe if it go a lot, it's gonna be $1.
$1?
Yeah.
Oh my god.
If it be a lot.
But in Kenya, money transacting business is a deal.
People are very rich.
It's a big deal. The moment you transact, maybe let me say 300,000, the guy who you have transacted from his agent, but you know they pay by end month. It's like YouTube. Yeah, they pay. So they
discounted. They go on.
They accumulate
until the day maybe.
So it's your hard work. So you can get maybe a profit of maybe 30,000, a profit of 50,000 in a month, or even more than 100,000. So it depends with how you transact.
Even if someone sends you money or you send to someone, there is some money they cut or they add.
Oh,
so that money they add, it helps the person who are working this work. Yeah, so like for example, we withdraw this one, there is that percentage which left for him.
Even me, I'm so surprised in Burundi, like people work with money, like the agents work with money up and down. In Kenya, you see, okay, M-Pesa there, M-Pesa, you see, if you see anything green.
And it's closed very well.
Yeah, and it's enclosed because they know me very well there. Like, in Kenya is no joke. People can realize that,
can snatch, or maybe they can
just call you, okay, I'm at this point, please come and, I'm not painting my country in a bad name, in a bad way, but that is it. Sometimes we need to be more vigilant.
I think also, another thing is that your money, guys, is very very strong.
Very strong, yeah.
So it's like someone have all this money. This only 7,000.
Oh,
so imagine to steal someone is 7,000 and people
you,
kill you maybe
people
because
kill,
of
yeah.
that.
But is
But
it,
also another thing in Burundi,
there's no robbery
peaceful anyway.
Is there more? Is there
There
any
is a
robbery?
more peaceful, especially on about the thieves.
Okay.
Thieves are there, but someone is not going to steal when the people see, or maybe where anyone can be seen. You know, if they steal your thing,
yes,
is that you are not careful.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, because here it's very hard actually to steal.
And that's why even I usually tell people like, no country is peace, because each and every country has its ups and downs.
Yeah, just to be careful.
It's you to be careful, or it's you to be more vigilant with everything. Even if you go to maybe even to Dubai, which is more, they say more peaceful, but sometimes you need to pay more. Be careful because not everybody tells you. Oh,
whenever you're gonna be careful everywhere, you're gonna be.
You save a lot. Yeah. All right, guys. Let's see, because our what you call like our cab is over here. So we are waiting for our chauffeur. Here they call them chauffeur or chauffeurs, not drivers. They call them chauffeur or chauffeur. All right, guys. Let's see. We just arrived to a place known as Gitega. Yeah. But your boy is crazy. I'm feeling an intensive heat in my eyes. Actually, also my head.
Actually, this is the capital city of Burundi.
Oh, this is the capital now.
Yeah.
Oh wow.
They changed it.
Oh, now this is the capital.
Yeah.
Okay. So we'll be sharing with you what's going to happen on this other side. And
but actually it isn't going to be more because our time is really running
very limited. Yeah.
And we still have a journey. Yeah. Which is going to take us to the village.
Oh, nice.
But I'm happy. Because I tried these routes for first time.
Oh, you for the first time trying this route?
Yeah. Before I could go to Bujumbura, and that is like I go back somewhere in like you go to west,
and then come back.
And then you come back to south. South. You go to south, east. So like you go back like. So this is a
more like easier way
actually, or easy way.
Oh wow.
Yeah.
All right, guys, let's wait and see how it's
going. Yeah, that is it. So it's more better actually. Yeah.
Let's see.
And people they are building a
very nice houses.
But a lot of mountains.
Oh yeah. November. Gitega. Nice and great.
Yeah.
Very nice.
And
very mountainous.
Oh, yeah. Hey. You to the kucharugia hiyo.
Yeah, guys, we are here and we are walking in the outskirts of Gitega city, the capital one. Yeah, we are happy to be walking on this side of the outskirts of Gitega. So you say we are going to do what?
We are going to board another bus.
Okay.
But that bus will take us to another village.
Okay.
A place where there is something like that.
Oh, okay, guys. So let's wait and see. That's my brother Burundi. He's hiking. I'm telling you, BG, it's crazy.
Yeah. My guy is here.
Mountain. Oh, this bus stage looks nice.
Hey, it looks fun. Yeah.
It's raised and you can see the
yeah.
beautiful city.
Yeah.
Yeah.
No, you cannot see the whole city actually, because this one is in the like kind of on a mountain actually, so you cannot see it very well.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, bus stage. Okay, so guys, we are in this cab and we are now connecting again. This is our connecting car, so it's like we are connecting flights. So since morning or since the day I left my country, Kenya, until now, man, it's crazy. Sleep is not that. It's a sleep like that for soldiers or people in the battalion. So you sleep just to peep, like a wild bunny. It's like a wild bunny. So Let's wait, let's cruise, because it's a long journey. It's a very long journey, guys. This I cannot lie to you, it's a very long journey. And we are actually on this side. This is the bus stage, very great and nice. And you'll be asking, where is BT? He's behind here.
Yeah, I'm behind.
Okay.
I'm not far away, guys.
Absolutely.
Don't worry.
You just excuse and say, man, you have to sit in front so that you can see Burundi with all eyes. You see, even I just put around my specs so that I can see Burundi well. But my eyes, and I'm really feeling sick, guys, for this. But it's okay. The beautiful city on this other end. All right, let's cruise. Like that, we just left. Now we are moving. Other side. Alright guys, we just arrived here. Though I'm feeling very crazy. But, just arrived at this stage. It's another, maybe we have been changed like 10 stages since we started this journey. Even more than that. And
is it to change? Not like they stop?
No, just to change. So according to African traditional society, like me, it's my very first time, so it will be very shameful for me to go without even doing a small little shopping. So I wanna just buy mama maybe sugar or whatever maybe BT will tell me, because BT will be here.
Something you don't know. Yes. Like this place where we are is where the industry of sugar is.
Oh,
but
okay.
To get sugar is not easy.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
All right.
Oh
yeah.
Because I don't have.
Oh, okay. You can have Gucci money. Let you not select that, brother. I'll just bite your ears. It's better even.
Maybe this one.
No.
This one is.
No. You can have this one.
No, the heavy one I will not take.
It's not heavy.
This one is heavy.
You know, sometimes BT you put on your shoes, the shoes like. So I think you have to take these other ones.
This.
Yeah, even this one are better, very better.
I feel. Oh, this is better.
Very better. Yes, what do you think about this?
Wow.
And he loves this.
Brand of fake Gucci.
Yeah, but it's better.
This one is fake Gucci.
Put it up here. Oh.
No, how done that?
Yeah. But this is very better, BT, for you to step in the village.
But this one is small.
No.
It's a big.
No, this is not the one.
They be very big.
No. But you are not going to. If you become big. Okay. You know, guys, BT loves this kind of shoes. This one, and it's yellow, very shouty. I don't like this. At least this red should be more better. So yeah, okay, put that one. Yeah, this one is better now.
Yeah, this one is okay.
Yeah, I'm surprised. Okay. 15,000.
Yeah, it's 16. 12 sino bitwa. Eh? Yeah.
Okay. Let's go, BT. Let's take
15,000 is the last.
Yeah, it's better.
You know, guys, on that price, like for Kenyan.
No, this one is 40, and we need another 40. Yeah, 40
this
foot. Yeah. Okay. No.
Yeah.
No, this is 40, 41, 42. Hey guys, look at this guy. We want to take 40, 42. So it's 40, 40. So this will be better. Okay, yeah. Okay. No, I'm so surprised. You buy something 15,000. Hold this. Oh, you want to put the shoes? And you put this, you tie them.
Where can I put this one?
No, you just use the ropes to tie them behind the bag. But it will make you dirty.
Hey, it will make me dirty.
Okay.
I don't need that.
Let me put them in here. One.
Maybe I can hold. We'll buy a good
No, don't
paper
hold,
bag.
bro. You're a traveler.
Look at this man. Hopefully I don't throw it away.
You won't.
Aye?
Yeah. Swear. You are a travel.
Okay.
So even my bag has all stuff that I have. My shoes, my everything. And the good thing is that you have a very nice backpack that can carry even gumboots. Yeah. So the only thing is, that's why they have this what you call like side
Ready pockets.
side pockets and the ropes.
Okay.
Even if you jump, even if you jump,
You can go this route.
okay, let's go this side, guys. We are moving in this side.
It's in a small market.
Oh, okay.
Hopefully we'll pass
Let's
somewhere
buy rice
to
here.
exchange some money.
Okay.
You need us to buy rice?
Yeah, I've seen it here.
I guess at home we do having a lot of
Yeah,
rice.
I know you have it. I know you don't want me to make shopping, but I know you have it. But for the sake of me,
Oh, it's here.
okay. Let's go this way. The other. Okay. Okay. I think we have rice here. Sawa. Unakuonja?
Itatununi. You know how to choose the rice?
Yeah. Already I've seen this one is better.
Oh, sasa kilo moja 3,500.
Okay.
Hey.
Make 10 kgs. Kilo ikumi.
Kilo
Chumi. Kilo chumi. So say kilo chumi means 10 kgs. And one thing I kept sorry guys.
Mpaka tuigulile.
Okay, let's go for this. One thing I came to understand from my first impression here is Burundian women don't like to hairdress. They just shave it short like mine. I'm so surprised. Short like mine. I'm telling you them that Burundian men, no Burundian women, they don't like to hairdress.
Oh yeah.
They just make it short.
Yeah.
All Burundian women, which is very nice. Oh, this is the market.
Is not short, but they like to do it like this.
Afro.
Yeah. So when they can do like this, you get is too long.
Okay.
Yeah. They just keep them, so they comb them and then they take them back down.
So guys, I'm a Burundian by hair. Don't check.
Oh, Burundian.
So nobody's just suspecting who is this guy. So we'll buy the necessary things, just a little
What
shopping.
else maybe do you want us to buy?
You told me here do you
Guys, I'm sorry, I didn't brought my brother here to buy.
No. Let me tell you one thing. I'm
There
this
is
guy.
something.
Yes. What?
There's something we do like. Maybe you can stay here. You check it so quickly.
No, the moment you are telling me and then you go, you buy yourself. No, we are going together.
No, just to check if it's there.
Okay. I wish I knew.
Oh, you want that?
Okay guys, let's have the rice and then we can see what's happening. So guys, in Burundi we have this kind of weighing scale like this one over here. It's we call it analog weighing scale. Is it even digital? Guys, kindly help me. So okay, 10 means ichumi. So yeah.
What about in your language? How do you say?
Ikumi. Biti hold well.
Ikwarin. Ikwarin. Oh, Crodeta. Uramuzi Benini. Eh.
Okay guys, let me pay and then we wanna see what's going to happen over here. Murakoze means thank you. Hold there. Just hold there. What else? What do you like at home? Kindly. Just a small.
There is something,
Yes.
but I think they are not there right now.
Okay. Okay guys, let's see what's happening.
I don't know. Can we buy this one?
Okay.
They don't know how to cook them.
I'll cook for
We
them.
can buy and then we surprise them to cook them.
Yeah.
Uganda zanga.
Sante. How much?
5,500.
And this one?
Uraibuka tekera nuku.
Tell her. 15,000 both of three. So bagay.
Yeah.
Ichumi na bitano. I'm trying guys. Say ichumi na bitano. So total.
Tugabanye kubera dutwaye nyinshi.
Very nice.
She said the other people are selling 6,000.
Okay.
So for her, actually, she tried to give us for a discount.
Okay.
So
I
what
understand.
can we do?
I don't want to bargain because I understand mamas in here.
And also it's not bad actually.
Yeah,
On
yeah.
that price.
It's very
like,
nice.
For a Kenyan money.
Yeah.
For a Kenyan money, I don't know how much is this one. And actually this one, they are not from Burundi, you know?
Yeah.
And we don't export too much.
So that would be 16.
15.
Yes.
Mwavuze bitanu bita?
So
Oh.
16, 500.
Sawa.
It becomes 16,500, right?
Yeah.
What do you
Tomato sauce, is it really needed?
No, we need this cup. These ones? Oh, okay.
Okay, do here is inanga. Okay, you can take only 2.
Oh, let's take more because sometimes.
No, take 2. You know we have a village where there is everything.
Okay, I understand. Okay, put that inside.
Hizi uvuzani sensa.
Okay.
Achasi garangaye hiyo.
She has our change, right?
Yeah.
Sawa.
What about you done zanga? 300.
Okay.
Warubuze kwasiga bibiri na? Okay.
Guys, we are doing a shopping over here in this area, and it's very nice. That's good to promote mamas. I really feel so much happy when I see hardworking mamas waking every day morning to come and work. This is just to promote them a little bit, guys. Not really. Sorry, my voice is just maneuvering and it's moving. I don't know why, but hopefully you hear me well. So I think we have to take cooking oil.
Yeah.
Okay.
That is really
I have cooking oil.
na wewe udandaza?
What about the onions? You know me, I'm
Masika yangaye kwanza?
tell her to wrap it. How much is it in how much is this one? Because you need to tell people sometimes when they come.
1 from Kenya.
Okay, how much is this one? 1 shilling.
This one?
Yes.
1 shilling. No,
These are Royco
maybe
cubes.
1.5.
They're 300. What you call like?
Oh, ayo na udandaza ngapi? Business. 19.
19,000. Business. Okay. Can you bring us a clean one? Safi kama ile. Tafadhali.
Ile yanzi is.
Hey. Because this one is a little bit. Okay. So you can just tie it one bit. Just tie it. And then you start. So, how much has she remained with?
1,300. So you have to add maybe 15. So another 4,000. Hold it for me. I have a 4,000.
Okay.
4,000? No, 3,000.
Yeah, 3,000. And then 300, she has to add us something. What about the onions, BT? The red onions? You know you use white onions.
In the meat, but it depends on which kind of.
Okay. Can you also promote this mama with the red onions? Coriander? What is it?
I don't know. They call it serene here.
No, mama. I'm not used to that. How much is the onions, BT?
Oh.
Bitunguru. Yes. Guys, we are here.
1,000.
Okay.
Hey,
So make for 3,000. Bihumbi bitatu. Bihumbi bitatu, right?
Ndiko kuichagulira none.
BT here is like, I want to choose for myself.
So this one is
And one thing I like about this, like
in Africa,
everywhere they have,
choose.
you have to choose for yourself.
Maybe.
Which mean,
Vya Bibilia. Oh. Bibi, nishakuja bitatu.
Okay. One for 300. I wish I had a lot of money. I could promote everyone over here, guys, but it's okay. Let's just do a small shopping. Okay.
That is 3,000.
3,000.
You have a cash. Maybe give out. Yeah. Eh?
What about these eggplants? Do you use them?
Yeah, they use it, but they are there.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Okay. I am Rakoze.
Actually, they are.
Karibu.
Okay, maybe
You can pass here. Maybe fruits a little bit. BT. Let's have a viscari, the sweets, and then maybe watermelon. Huh? Yeah, but wait first. We can have maybe these sweets or
banana. No.
you have.
Going far.
Oh,
It will be very
okay,
hard to reach
okay.
there.
Let's go with this now.
Mango.
Okay.
The one.
Yeah, it's okay.
Yeah, the good one.
If you want to see if it's ripe, you see over here. Which one?
There's some which looks like big.
But this one is okay.
What about
No, that one. You see, if you want to see if it's ripe,
yeah.
you see over here, down here. Like this one, it has big space.
Oh.
Yeah, yeah. And the watermelons from this side are.
Little bit happy.
Okay. How much?
3,000.
Okay. Maybe sugar.
Sugar is very hard to get sugar here.
Oh, really?
Hey. Isukari raboneka.
Oh.
Ngani itwa ironka kuiduka.
Oh. Where?
We cannot get it. Get a sugar now here.
Guys.
They give it out sometime.
Oh, okay. Sorry, guys. Cannot get sugar here. I am Rakoze. Okay, guys. Let's move. So we'll be moving over here and a little bit. So let's see where we're going. BT, what else? Let's buy this, one of these, so that we can balance. This one will just go down. No, one of this actually. This one over here. Nani mwenye? Because now we know that where we are going is a little bit far. Also, I think we'll pass by to the pharmacy, so I can take maybe my malaria tabs. I think that will be so
Not
better.
must to pass to the farmers there because
They put
the village where I am, there is a farmer.
Oh, there's a pharmacy.
Yeah.
Okay, put those all inside here. Alright guys, let's see. Guys, now literally let's see a motorbike and then we can now move from this side. Let's go and see. No, you could have tied it, okay. No, like you tie it. Use a rope.
Hamna shida.
Itatoka ndugu yangu, hii najua. Na hata mimi naendeshaga pikipiki najua zinatokaga zinamwagika. Sitaki hasara ndugu yangu. Hasara mbaya. Najua naelewa. Naelewa hasara naijua vizuri. Have to move. Soma kasiriko. Sina sauti. Alright guys. Hey guys, we just arrived and I had my cold shower, which is very nice. It actually awakened my nerves and I felt a little bit better. Though still the joints and my eyes, I'm feeling like my eyeballs are popping out. And we're here with the BT himself. Now we are home and I love the color of the house, guys, over here. Very nice.
Yeah.
And
so you
great.
know what?
Yeah.
My mom was asking me, oh, maybe we're not in money to eat this.
What is
Then
it?
I was like, why? And then she told me,
Me, there's nothing that I don't eat.
she said,
Apart
cooked
from
without to mix anything today.
it's okay.
Like is this? This is
Alright.
rice. Wow. And it's a new rice, so sometimes it's crazy.
Alright.
Yeah. So it's rice and this one.
Hey.
This is a bean. So she was saying,
I crave for Burundian beans, man. Burundian
And
beans
then
are good,
it
man.
was cooked by palm oil.
Or palm oil.
Yeah, have you tried it before?
Yeah, when we were in Bujumbura.
Okay,
So that
you can
moment.
wash your hands there.
Okay, guess this is where we are, and very nice. It's okay, BT.
Then you can serve yourself. Here, we normally eat together, as we do most time also in our village in Africa. But then now you can serve yourself. Just for this time.
I have.
And the other day, don't be shocked when they give us food together, okay?
It's okay. Me, the moment is as long.
The moment you see the food is enough.
Me, I don't have friends when I see food. You know, one thing is, I told you the only thing that I don't eat is eggs, but the rest, I wanna eat and then sleep completely.
Yeah.
I'll edit maybe late.
Maybe, yeah. If you do videos here, you do a lot of videos, you edit, and then you go to upload it the whole day.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, somewhere, and then you come back after. The other place we came from. Yeah, like that one we paid around 300 Kenya shilling.
Oh.
On that motorbike guy.
Oh, wow.
So on about 300 Kenya shilling, like every day is not easy.
It's not easy.
Yeah, so you do it once.
Once in a while.
Yeah, but also maybe you are not going to spend a lot of time.
Absolutely, maybe.
So no
But me, I love to see like everything around. Don't worry, guys.
No problem.
This is home, and this guy wants to chase me. You will go by yourself. All right, guys. May Almighty God bless this food. Amen. Let me try this.
Very nice.
Very sweet. All right, guys. Thank you so much.
Let me add this.